The Supreme Court on Monday issued a notice and sought response from the Centre and the National Testing Agency on petitions pertaining to the alleged paper leaks and malpractices in the NEET UG 2024 exam. During the hearing, the bench said even if there is 0.001% negligence on part of anyone in the NTA, it should be thoroughly dealt with. Imagine a person who has played fraud on the system becomes a doctor. He is more deleterious to the society. The bench, comprising Justice Vikram Nath and S.V.N. Bhatti, further stated. The Supreme Court pointed out that aspirants have prepared for the entrance examination and that the court cannot forget their labour. The bench told the central government and the NTA not to consider the petitions filed against the NEET UG as adversarial litigation and instead rectify the mistakes. As an agency which is conducting the examination, you must act fair. If there is a mistake, say yes, there is a mistake, and this is the action we are going to take. At least that inspires confidence in your performance, the bench said to the NTA. The Supreme Court further said that it expects timely action from the testing organization. The next hearing in the matter is listed for the 8th of July. Last week, the Supreme Court rebuked one of the counsels for the petitioners, who said that students at coaching centers in Kota, Rajasthan were dying by suicide due to the NEET UG 2024 results. The court dismissed the statements and directed that the petitioners seeking a CBI probe into the alleged irregularities in the exam should not make such emotional arguments. The Supreme Court had also reiterated that it will not stay the NEET counselling.
Click on the link in the description to read more about the story. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to Law Today for more updates about what is happening in courts across the country.